Ever heard of a creature that's part bear, part cat, and smells like popcorn? Intrigued? Well, meet the Binturong. Our world is teeming with a dazzling array of creatures, each more fascinating than the last. Among them, the Binturong stands out as a truly unique specimen. Also known as the Asian bearcat or the Asian civet, it's the largest civet in India. Its scientific name, Arctictis binturong, may sound like something out of a science fiction novel, but this creature is as real as they come. The binturong is a creature of the night. It's a solitary, nocturnal animal that moves slowly and cautiously through the trees. Its prehensile tail, a feature shared only with the kinkajou among carnivores, acts almost like an extra limb. This tail helps with climbing and provides stability when gripping branches. But the binturong's unique traits don't stop there. This creature has scent glands located just under its tail. It uses these glands to mark its territory, leaving a signature scent on trees and foliage. And here's the fun part. That scent smells remarkably like popcorn. The binturong belongs to the same family as other small carnivores, including civets, gennaes, mongooses, and fossa. It's a medium-sized carnivore found in the dense forests of Southeast Asia. Its distribution spans across China, India, Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, Malaysia, Indonesia, the Philippines, and the island of Borneo. However, despite its fascinating characteristics, the binturong is listed as vulnerable under the International Union for Conservation of Nature. It's also protected under Schedule 1 of the Indian Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. But why is this so? Why is such a unique and fascinating creature facing vulnerability? To answer that, we'll need to delve into the world of another equally intriguing creature. So buckle up as we journey into the secret life of the small-clawed otter, a dexterous hunter of the aquatic world. From the treetops, let's dive into the waters with the small-clawed otter, an adept aquatic hunter. This nimble creature is a marvel in the animal kingdom, equipped with partially webbed feet and short claws that enhance its hunting prowess in aquatic environments. These unique features allow it to deftly navigate through water, capturing prey with a swift and surety that's nothing short of awe-inspiring. The small-clawed otter, like its name suggests, has claws that are significantly smaller than those of other otters. This, coupled with its partially webbed feet, gives it a dexterity that is unparalleled, enabling it to handle its prey with a proficiency that is quite remarkable. This creature is not just a master of water, but also a versatile hunter, able to thrive in both freshwater and marine habitats. Speaking of habitats, the small-clawed otter boasts a broad distribution range, spanning from India eastwards to Southeast Asia and southern China. In India, it predominantly inhabits protected areas in West Bengal, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and certain regions of Kerala within the Western Ghats. It is primarily found in freshwater habitats, sustaining itself with a diet comprising fish and crustaceans. This dexterous hunter has a knack for survival, but it faces numerous threats that put its existence in peril. Habitat destruction, deforestation, and reduction in prey biomass are just a few of the challenges confronting this remarkable creature. Despite its resilience and adaptability, the small-clawed otter is struggling to maintain its foothold in an ever-changing world. Just like the binturong, the small-clawed otter is also listed as vulnerable under the International Union for Conservation of Nature and is protected under Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. The question is, why are these fascinating creatures vulnerable? The answer lies in the complex interplay of factors, including human activities and environmental changes, which we will delve into as we continue our exploration of these intriguing creatures. Both the binturong and the small-clawed otter, despite their unique adaptations and roles in the ecosystem, are facing a common threat: vulnerability. The binturong, or the Asian bearcat as it's often called, is the largest civet in India. This solitary nocturnal creature navigates the dense forests of Southeast Asia with the aid of its prehensile tail, a feature so unique that, in the world of carnivores, it shares this trait only with the kinkajou. Unfortunately, the binturong's survival is threatened by an increasing loss of their habitat. As forests dwindle due to logging and agricultural expansion, these elusive creatures are losing their homes, their food sources, and their safe havens from predators. Meanwhile, the small-clawed otter, known for its partially webbed feet and short claws, is an adept hunter in aquatic environments. Stretching from India to Southeast Asia and southern China, these creatures play a vital role in controlling the population of fish and crustaceans in their freshwater habitats. Yet, they too are facing a dire threat. Their habitats are being destroyed due to deforestation, and the reduction in prey biomass is leaving them hungry and vulnerable. Moreover, both these species face the threat of illegal wildlife trade. The binturong's distinctive scent glands, used to mark their territory, and the small clawed otter's luxurious fur make them targets for poachers, further accelerating their decline. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, has listed both species as vulnerable. They are also protected under the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972 and the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species, CITES. Yet, despite these protections, their populations continue to dwindle. Both these animals, with their unique skills and adaptations, play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. Their vulnerability is a sign that we need to do more to protect them and their habitats. As we move forward, it is imperative that we increase our conservation efforts to ensure these unique creatures continue to thrive in the wild, contributing to the rich tapestry of biodiversity that our planet boasts. The binturong and the small-clawed otter, two remarkable creatures, are under threat. But there's something we can do about it. From the dense forests of Southeast Asia to the aquatic environments of India, these unique animals are protected under the Wildlife Protection Act. This means that their habitats are legally shielded from harmful human activities, and any harm inflicted upon them is punishable by law. This is a significant step towards their conservation, but laws alone are not enough. Conservation requires our collective efforts. It needs us to be aware and make others aware. It needs us to respect the boundaries of these animals, and it needs us to support initiatives that work towards their preservation. By doing so, we are not just saving the binturong and the small-clawed otter, but also preserving the rich biodiversity of our planet. Remember, every species plays a crucial role in our ecosystem. Let's do our part to ensure that the binturong and the small-clawed otter continue to thrive in their natural habitats.